What is up, everybody? So I just took my hood vent out because I thought it'd be a good idea with my red and black theme to just paint the inside grill of them. So if you put them, now I'm just gonna paint the grill of the inside red. Then it's gonna be red. Now I'm thinking of maybe painting my windshield sprayer red. I'm just putting red tape on it to see what it would look like. So still debating on those, we'll see. Now we're just prepping up the tape to make sure it doesn't drip over. Then we'll be painting the inside of that. So they're finished being taped up. Now we're going to set up the first coat of paint. It's going to be a glossy red. Now we're just going to let it sit for a little bit. We'll be painting the back too, just to make sure we get all the holes. Make sure there's paint in all the holes.
C'est fucking tough à les pogner. Oh, spray de la bombe. C'est fucking tough à les pogner comme des petits carrés comme du monde. Faire ça, il génère even coat.
So here's going to be our last coat of paint. Then when we're going to be done with that, I'll be showing you the end result when it finishes drying up. So here's my end result. Now I'll be showing you real quick how I put it back on the car, and then I'll show you what it looks like with both of them. Putting your hood vent back on. You can't really see it in the camera, but it gives a nice effect. I'm still debating on painting my windshield washer sprayer. We'll see about that. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.